Keep her head up. Straighten her left leg a little. Straight. Straight. Good.
When she says straight, she means straight.
When I say please don't comment, I mean it.
Yeah.
You're going to need to squeeze a little down this line for the 9. Good. Good riding. Now do the last line one more time. Slow down a hair.
Slow down the hair.
Canter.
Canter.
Shh, Chandler. Easy, teeny.
Easy.
Sweetheart.
Sweetheart. Perfect.
Good job. Trot.
Trot.
Canter.
Canter.